and welcome back. And I want to do a quick video for you all because I had a slight problem I've been dealing with for a while, and the actual manufacturer didn't know how to fix it, and I was able to figure it out. So I thought I'd just do a quick little video. And what it is my Wilwood calipers are actually pretty noisy. And what it is every time I hit an expansion joint or any kind of bump, there's a rattle. And I assume that was just because of the cotter pin style that the pads use to retain them. But upon further inspection, which was actually found by accidentally running across a photo of a similar type caliper, there's supposed to be something holding on the thrust plate. They're just rusting in there, and that's actually not the way it's supposed to be. And so through some research and digging up some other pictures, I was able to find through Google, not actually through Wilwood's website, the part I need to fix this. So I'm going to take you guys through it. I'm going to make an attempt to fix it my own way. And if this helps you out, if you have this older style of Wilwood caliper, hopefully it'll set you straight and get rid of all that rattling noise. While it seemed like no one knew how to resolve this, it actually was much easier than I expect. So as you can see here, this is the base of the old rivet that's been broken off. And you can see here how it actually holds on the wear plate. So what I've done here is I took a small bit, it's kind of hard to focus on here because it's so small, and I drilled out the center of the rivet. But even though I ate out most of the core of the rivet, it still had bit into the metal. So I had to step up each time to get the full rivet out. And so now I have the bare metal where this can fit in. And so what will happen is I'll finish cleaning this up, I'll do the other one, and then I'll be able to rivet this in and have the wear plate back where it is and help resolve the sound issue that these calipers have. So I've already put one in, and this is quite simple. I just drilled everything out, like I said. We've got the rivet tool, everything fits in there securely. And actually, from what I can tell, one rivet is sufficient. I'm trying to do this while holding the camera and doing the other hand, so bear with me. All right, so we got the rivet tool on there. Bam, done. Holy hell, that was easy. So, as you can see, that's fixed. If I want to go back, I can actually drill this one out and correct that one. But I think this is what's going to resolve my rattling issue that I've been having, because this was completely loose. So every rotation of the wheel, I was getting a clunk, which made it sound like a jalopy coming down the road. All right, so here's everything reinstalled. I did a test because I did notice when I would rotate the hub that I would actually get the clicking sound, and now there is no more clicking sound. So the hope is I go for a test drive and there's no click, 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 click every time I drive. Before, I thought I was hitting ruts in the road, which was causing a rhythmic clink, but I think it was just the fact that this thrust plate was loose and it was allowing movement in the pad. All right, so I am driving down a road that has a lot of expansion joints, and you can probably hear it in the interior, but every time we hit a bump, you hear a bump, bump, bump of some sort. But before, where you would hear my calipers rattle with every one of those bumps, I don't hear a thing now. So, just to go to show you guys, that resolved the problem. That took care of my rattle from the caliper. So it's a simple enough fix. You just got to drill out the old rivets, put in new rivets, and that's it. So if you all have the older style caliper, let me know if this worked to fix your problem. And like always, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.